Hi, in this video we are going to discuss some questions. First question, form the algebraic expression using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. So first one is 2 more than 5 times of a number x. 5 times of a number x, that means 5x. 2 more than, so plus 2. So 2 more than 5 times of a number x is 5x plus 2. Second, 1/4 of the product of y and z. So what is the product of y and z? Product of y and z is yz. So 1/4 of the product of y and z is 1/4 of yz. So 1/4 into yz. So 1/4 yz. 3 times x is subtracted from 10. So 3 times x means 3x. That 3 times x is subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 3x. So next, the number x is multiplied by itself and added to the thrice of y. So the number x is multiplied by itself, that means x into x, x square. Then it's added to the thrice of y. So thrice of y plus 3y, x square plus 3y. Next one, the sum of number 7 and x. So sum, that means x plus 7. The sum of number 7 and x is x plus 7. So in this question we return the algebraic expression from words. Next question, change the following algebraic expressions in words. So in this question we are going to write the algebraic expressions in the words. So first question is 3 into x plus y. So first question we are going to write the algebraic expression in words. So this algebraic expression means 3 times the sum of x and y. So 3 times the sum of variables, x and y. So next z into x, that means the product of the variables z and x. The product of the variables z and x. So next question, 3/4 of x plus y. So 3/4 of the sum of the variables x and y. Next, third question is, consider the following algebraic expression: 4x cube y minus 2x square y square plus 3/2x y square minus 6x. From this expression we are going to find the number of terms and list number of terms and the numerical coefficient of the term minus 2x square y. Next, coefficient of x square in the term of 4x cube y. Next, what is the coefficient of y square in the term of 3/2x y square. So first, the given algebraic expression is 4x cube y minus 2x square y square plus 3/2x y square minus 6x. First question is, what is the number of terms, and then list the all terms. So the given algebraic expression, how many terms are there in the given algebraic expression? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 terms are there. So the number of terms in the given expression is 4. So the number of terms in the given algebraic expression is 4. Next, list all the terms. What are the terms? 4x cube y and minus 2x square y square. Next, 3/2x y square, and finally minus 6x. So these are the 4 terms. Next, second question is, what is the numerical coefficient of the term minus 2x square y square? What is coefficient? Any factor of a non-constant term of an algebraic expression is called the coefficient of the remaining factors of the term. The constant part is called the numerical coefficient and the remaining part is called the literal coefficient of the term. So here you see the term minus 2x square y square. In this term, which is constant coefficient, that means numerical coefficient minus 2 and the literal coefficients x square y square. So in this term, numerical coefficient is minus 2. Next question, what is the coefficient of x square in the term 4x cube y? So in the term 4x cube y, what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 4xy. Next, fourth question, what is the coefficient of y square in the term 3 by 2xy square? So the coefficient of y square in the term 3 by 2xy square is 3 by 2x. Next question, identify the monomials, binomials and trinomials. What is monomials? Monomial means that algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. Binomial means only 2 terms are there in the expression. So an algebraic expression having only 2 unlike terms is called a binomials. Trinomial means 3. There in 3 terms are there. An algebraic expression having only 3 unlike terms. First one is x square plus y. In this expression, totally how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. What are there? X square and y. So this expression is a binomial. Second one, 2x square plus 4y minus 6. In this expression, totally 3 terms are there. What are there? 2x square, 4y and minus 6. So 3 terms are there. These 3 terms are unlike. So this expression is called the trinomial. Next, minus 5x cube. In this expression, only one term. So this expression is called the monomial. Fourth one, the expression is x minus 3. Here 2 terms are there. Only 2 terms are there. What are there? X and minus 3. So this expression is called a binomial. Fifth question, 9x cube minus ax plus a. This expression is which type expression? This one binomial, monomial or trinomial? This one is trinomial. Why? Because in this expression totally 3 terms are there. The 3 terms are unlike. So this expression is called the trinomial. This expression having only one term. So this is called a monomial. In this expression totally 2 unlike terms are there. So this expression is called the binomial. Next, 8th question, x power 9. So here only one term. So this expression is called the monomial. We know already about we already know term of an algebraic expression. The various parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign is called the terms of the algebraic expression. Multiplication and division don't separate the parts of the algebraic expression. That's why we are telling x square plus y. In this expression totally 2 terms are there. In the third question, minus 5x cube. Here minus 5 into x cube. Here multiplication operation. Here multiply operation is playing. Next, 5th question, identify the term containing x and write the coefficient of x in each of the following expressions. So first we want to find the term which is containing x. in this expression 5x minus 3y, totally two terms are there. What are there? 5x and minus 3y. In which term contained x? 5x. So in each expression we look for a term with x as a factor. The remaining part of the term is the coefficient of x. So first we want to find the term which is contained x in the expression 5x minus 3y. Which term containing x? 5x. That's we want to write in the column term containing x, 5x. What's the coefficient of x? Is 5. So next expression 3 minus 2x plus y square. Which term containing x? Minus 2x. So what is the coefficient of x? Minus 2. Next expression 3z minus 5xy plus 8y cube. Here which term is containing x as a variable? Minus 5xy. Here what is the coefficient of x? The remaining factors? Minus 5y. Here in the expression 3z minus 5xyz plus 8y cube. Which term containing x? Minus 5xyz. So what is the coefficient of x? Minus 5yz is a coefficient of x.